Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a working email, phone for two-factor, and a credit card for verification. Open the Azure sign-up page and choose free trial or pay-as-you-go because the choice affects spending limits and available credits. Once you pick, sign in with a Microsoft account or create one. You need it to manage subscriptions and billing. Make sure to read the small billing notes so you understand when free credits convert to chargeable services. This first stage prevents surprises later. You now fill out the detailed registration form. Select whether it's a personal or organization account because tenant behavior differs. Enter your legal name, address, and any organization details. Accuracy ensures tax and compliance alignment. When you receive the SMS code, enter it immediately to confirm your phone. This protects the account. Next, add your credit card for identity verification. Azure does a small authorization hold, then releases it. Once these steps finish, your subscription status updates and you can access the Azure. You complete setup by signing into the Azure portal and confirming your subscription shows active and any trial credits appear. This confirms billing and identity checks passed. Immediately set billing alerts and configure role-based access control so you limit accidental charges and secure resources. Make sure to add a secondary contact and enable MFA for safety. If something goes wrong, first recheck your card details, phone verification, and Microsoft account email. These are the most common failure points and usually resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.